Hello everybody, and welcome to our tutorial for Family Feud. Now this is a different Family Feud world than what we were going to do because these controls in here are a lot more simple, so it'll be a lot easier basically to use. So you can see over here I have the names set up, Trey and Deuce, which show down there. There's Trey, there's Deuce, and actually there's Deuce right here. Say hi, Deuce.
Hi.
And so we're going to give you a little demonstration of how this works, so that way you guys can come in and cheat yourself. And then we can start doing more Family Feud events. The only downside to this one is it doesn't have the fast money. But like I said, the control panel is a lot more simple. So we'll do this one. And if you like this one, we can keep coming in here. And also another main thing about this one is the points will actually work, whereas in the other one, for some reason, they don't. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick someone who is going to be the host, and they'll come up into the booth. Only one person can be up in the booth. And you need to play the sound, which I can't play due to copyright issues, which is just theme music, but you'll go ahead and click start. Your question will pop up here. So name something a person does that slows down the checkout line at the supermarket. And then when you come back over to your buttons here, you'll see these green buttons have appeared. And then all your answers are going to be up above your head. So um, buzz in, Deuce. So you click that red button down there that you see. So Deuce buzzed in. So the question is, name something a person does that slows down the checkout line at the supermarket.
Take out coupons.
Use coupons. So you can see that this answer
Yes.
is here. So this is number one. The talk is number two. This is number three. Number four. Five is up to the top right. Six and seven. So she got the number one. So click the button that says one, which puts it up on her board down there. Now, obviously, if you guys know how Family Feud works. Give me another answer, Deuce.
Um, Write a check.
Alrighty, that one was also up there. Now, give me an answer that was obviously wrong.
That was wrong. That
Yeah,
would be wrong.
yeah.
Um, Walk away.
Yeah, so you would click the first strike button there, and then when there's two, should we get another one wrong? You put two strikes, and then the third one, all three strikes. So we'll just go ahead and pull up the rest of these answers here. Okay, so that's 88 points. So we'll just say that the dues team got those points. So you'll come over here to the button that says send points. Don't mind my inner tube. I just realized I still have that on. But you'll send the points to team one. And then that shows up on their side over here. And then what you would do is you would click end. And then you would click start again, which pulls up another question. Name something you'll find on the breakfast menu no matter what kind of restaurant you're at. And it'll put this up. Now, what you can do, usually the way that Family Feud works is there's I think a total of maybe there's four rounds. There's a main round, there's two main rounds, and then there's a double, and then there's a triple. So what you would do is you would click the multiplier, which unfortunately just played the sound. And then you would click start in order to make the even though it shows the regular points up here, when you click it, see there's 58 points down there. And then it's the same thing with the triple. You would just click that triple and do the same thing. And then start, name something that would cause you to say, I think I'm coming down with something. So then that's 57 points for the top answer because it's 19. So we just think this is a lot more simple to work than the other one. So this might be a bit better for Thrive. If you'd like us to make a video for the other one, let us know. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this video. Um,
Wait. What about showing how the game ends?
I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just whoever gets 300 points first. Oh, and if you want to reset for a new game, you just click where it says reset points here, and then you'll click where it says end. And now you're all reset and ready for a new game. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and we will go ahead and make some more after this. Bye-bye.